The Sunny Health and Fitness SF T4400 has become popular among fitness enthusiasts. Its user-friendly design and sturdy build make it a top choice for many. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, this treadmill caters to various fitness needs. It features a compact design ideal for small spaces, yet doesn't compromise on functionality. With easy-to-use controls and a range of workout options, it promises an engaging exercise experience. Read on to discover why the SFT 4400 is worth considering for your home gym. Introduction to Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 is a top choice for home fitness. This treadmill offers a combination of quality and affordability. It's designed for beginners and seasoned runners alike. With its compact size, it fits well in small spaces. Let's dive into the details of this treadmill. Brand overview. Sunny Health and Fitness is a well-known name in the fitness industry. They have been around for over a decade. Their products are known for durability and affordability. They offer a wide range of fitness equipment. The SFT 4400 is one of their popular treadmills. Design and build quality. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 treadmill is a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. It offers a sturdy and reliable option for home workouts. Let's dive into its design and build quality. Frame construction. The SFT 4400 treadmill boasts a robust frame that ensures stability during intense workouts. The frame is made from high-quality steel, providing durability and longevity. This treadmill can support users up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of individuals. The design includes a sleek, compact structure that fits well in various home settings. The treadmill's running surface measures 49 inches in length and 15.5 inches in width, offering ample space for comfortable running or walking. The surface is cushioned, helping reduce the impact on your joints. Performance and functionality. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 treadmill offers solid performance and reliable functionality. Its sturdy build ensures a smooth and efficient workout experience. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 treadmill offers impressive performance and functionality. This treadmill is great for beginners and those with limited space. It combines a powerful motor, varied speed settings, and adjustable incline options. Let's dive into the key features that make this treadmill a solid choice. Noise levels. The SFT 4400 treadmill operates quietly, making it ideal for home use. The motor produces minimal noise even at higher speeds. This ensures that you won't disturb others in your household. The belt movement is smooth and contributes to the quiet operation. Users often commend the treadmill's low noise levels. This is crucial for those living in apartments or shared spaces. The quiet motor allows for early morning or late night workouts without causing disturbances. The treadmill's design focuses on providing a peaceful workout environment. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 pros and cons. Pros: quiet motor, minimizes noise disturbance for home use. Sturdy build, durable frame supports users up to 220 pounds. Beginner-friendly, easy to use with multiple workout programs. Cons: limited speed. Maximum speed of 9 mph may not be sufficient for serious runners. Basic features: lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or touchscreen display. Frequently asked questions. What features does the SFT 4400 treadmill offer? The SFT 4400 treadmill offers a 220 peak HP motor, 9 workout programs, and speeds up to 9 mph. It also includes 3 manual incline settings and a foldable design for easy storage. Is the SF 4400 suitable for beginners? Yes, the SFT 4400 is suitable for beginners. It has an easy-to-use interface and multiple workout programs. The treadmill's speed range and incline options make it adaptable for various fitness levels.